Two of your AI agents can now talk to each other on your own computer, and nobody asked you first. Okay, that came out ominous. Let me back up. A few days ago, Claude Code shipped an update, version 2.1.224 if you care, and buried in the notes was something genuinely new. Two separate sessions running in two separate terminals, each one completely unaware the other one exists, can now send each other messages. Here's the problem it fixes. You've done this. You've got one AI rewriting your backend and another building your front end in two windows, and neither has any idea the other is alive. So the backend one changes something, quietly breaks the front end, and you find out 40 minutes later. Then you get to play messenger. Copy from one terminal, paste into the other, re-explain the whole thing like a tired parent, repeating a rule. Now the first one can just tell the second one, hey, I changed the login thing, you'll want to update. Directly. It finds the other session, sends it a short note, and the second agent reads it mid-task and adjusts. No copy-paste. No you standing in the middle. And before your brain goes full science fiction, this is where it actually gets smart. Because AI agents messaging each other unsupervised is exactly the sentence that should make you a little nervous. And Anthropic clearly knew it. So they locked it down. A message is just text. That's the whole thing. It doesn't carry your files. It doesn't carry the other agent's entire conversation. And here's the part that matters. A message from one agent can't approve anything on your behalf. It can't click yes on a permission pop-up. It can't change your settings. If one agent tries to sneak a command into the message, hoping the other one runs it, it just shows up as plain, dead text. Nice try. On the same machine, the note never even leaves your computer. It goes over a little local channel and never touches Anthropic's servers. Send it to a different machine and it does root through their servers. Small asterisk. The docs and the changelog don't fully agree yet on what those cross-machine messages are allowed to do, so treat that corner as still settling. A couple of catches. It's Mac and Linux only for now. Sorry again, Windows people. And in a genuinely funny piece of fine print, if you've turned off telemetry, the whole feature is silently off. So somewhere out there is a very privacy-conscious developer convinced his agents are broken when he's the one who muted them. The same update dropped a second, quieter thing that got almost no attention. You can now run Claude Code on your own machines. Your hardware, your containers, your compute. The code and the secrets never leave the building. That one's aimed at companies, it's off by default, and honestly, it's the more important announcement of the two. It's just less fun to say out loud than the robots are texting now. So, is this actually a good idea? Mostly, yeah. It's the least dramatic version of a genuinely useful idea. Let the agents coordinate so you stop being their group chat. The safety model is thoughtful. Nothing here lets an agent go rogue, sign off on its own permissions, or touch a file you didn't hand it. The part worth sitting with isn't the feature. It's the direction. A year ago, the pitch was one assistant helping one human. Now the assistants have a group chat, they hand work off to each other, and you're quietly sliding from the person doing the work to the person managing the team that does the work. Which sounds amazing, right up until you remember you have met managers. For now, it's small, it's careful, and it saves you the copy-paste. Which, let's be honest, was the browser tab you were going to have open at 2 in the morning anyway. That's the signal. The rest is noise. Subscribe if you want it before everyone else. See you next runtime.